Hi students, in this video we are going to learn about operations on functions. Here operation means they talk about the mathematical operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We are going to those operations on out this. Let X is a set which is the proper subset of set of all real numbers. Then various operations on functions are defined below. First one is sum of two real function. That means we will be given two different real functions, two different or same real function, and they will be added together. So we take the first function, that is let f is a function from set X R. Here set X is the subset of R, that is R is the set of all real numbers, and G is another function whose domain is X, set of all X, and its codomain is set of all real numbers. So G is a function from set X to set of all real numbers. Then sum real function, it can be function plus second function. It moves, this function must have the will have domain as X set and bus, which is such that f plus gx, it means that we are giving x as an input to the sum of these two functions, which is equal to f of x plus g of x for all x belongs to R. Here x is the input, that input belongs to this domain set, that is what they mentioned, for all x belongs to set X. If we see an example based on this concept, you will have clear about this. Now we will see an example problem. Here we are given two different functions. Now let f of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to 3x plus 2 be two real functions. Input is domain set, domain is real set, as well as codomain is also real numbers. So both these functions have same domain and same codomain, but they are two different functions. Here input is squared, here input is multiplied by 3, after that the result is added with 2. These two are two different functions, and we are expected to calculate all these questions. The first question is sum of these two functions. We need to do the sum of these two different real. Based on the definition we learnt, sum of these two functions is equal to first function plus second function. Similarly, here f plus g of x, that is sum of these two functions, can be written as first function f of x plus second function g of x. We know that f of x is equal to x square and g of these two are added together, and when we simplify it we get this answer as x square plus 3x plus 2. I hope you understand this operation, addition operation properly. You can understand the remaining concept very easily. Now we move on to the next concept, that is difference of two real functions. As we know already, two different functions will be given and both the functions will have same domain set and same codomain set, and then calculate difference of those two real functions, that means f minus g x, such that whose this resultant difference of these two real functions domain is x, codomain is set of all real numbers. Then f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x to x. So if we need to find out the subtraction of this f minus g, just we need to take the first function minus second function. Now we will look at the example problem related to this difference. Here we are calculating difference of these two functions, that is f minus gx is equal to, as we know very well, first function minus second function. Here first function is x square minus this second function. So the resultant answer is x square minus 3x minus 2. I hope you can understand this concept very clearly. Now we move on to the next concept, that is scalar multiplication of a function. Here one function is taken, that function is multiplied by scalar value. So we assume that let f is that particular function whose codomain is x, domain is set x and codomain is set of all real numbers. So let f is a function from set x to set r, and let alpha be a scalar. Here we are taking one scalar, that is alpha. Then we are multiplying this function with the scalar that we have taken, alpha, which is equal to alpha f into x is equal to alpha into f of x. That means the function, it has to be multiplied by the scalar value. I hope you understand this concept clearly. This question, if f of x is equal to x square, they are asking what is of f of x, then the answer will be to x square. I hope you understand this scalar multiplication of a function. Now we move on to multiplication of two real functions. Here one function is taken, that function is multiplied by a scalar quantity. Two different functions are taken, they are multiplied. As you know, we are taking first function as f from set x to set r, and g is another function from set x. I hope you can predict the answer. F into gx is a function such that from set x to set r, which is equal to f into g of x. The first function should be multiplied with second function. So if you look, the third question is f into g of x. Hence the first function should be taken and has to be multiplied with second function. So f into g of x is equal to first function x square into second function 3x plus 2, and when we multiply this we are getting this answer. I hope you understand this multiplication concept. Next we move on to quotient of two real numbers. Quotient means here we are talking about division. Two different real functions are given, both of them have domain and same codomain, and then if we asked to find out quotient of two real function, means the first function should be divided by second function whose domain will be set of all set x, and codomain is set of all real numbers, such that f divided by x is equal to f of x divided by g of x, provided g of x should not be equal to 0, because if the denominator is 0 means the function will be infinite, which is not allowed. That's why g of x is not equal to 0. Now we will take up the same example and then we will find out what is f divided by g of x. It means that first function divided by second function. Hence the answer will be x square divided by the second function 3x plus 2. With this we are completing this video. In the next video we will see problems related to this concept. Thank you students. Thanks for your cooperation.